Now let's move to the settings section. Inside settings, you'll find global settings, organization branding, sets, signatures, and my billing. Starting with global settings. Here, you can manage your date format and control email notifications. You can enable success emails when posts are published successfully and failure emails if a post fails to publish, keeping you informed at all times. Next is organization branding. In this section, you can upload your company logo in PNG, JPG, or GIF format. You can also add key company details such as your company name, website URL, tagline, office address, and contact information. Below that, you can add additional brand text elements. These text elements can be reused across all your creatives, posters, and marketing content to maintain a consistent brand identity. Here you can configure your organization persona, which helps AutoSocial's AI understand your business better. You can define your industry, company size, target audience, brand personality, mission statement, core values, key products or services, competitive advantages. This is the demo link. If you have a call scheduling link, you can add it here. This ensures that all AI-generated content aligns perfectly with your brand voice and business goals. Next is video avatar and background settings. Here you can upload an image of yourself or a model to create AI avatar videos. You can select a narration voice, preview how it sounds, and choose the one that best fits your brand. You can also add your voice. AutoSocial will then use this avatar and voice to automatically generate video reels for marketing and promotions. You can also customize the background color to match your brand identity and save your settings. Then we have signatures. This allows you to add and manage branded signatures that can be automatically included in your posts and creatives.